In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable cross-posting on Instagram. This feature lets you share your stories across Facebook. If you post your story on Instagram, it's going to also post it on Facebook. If you want to turn on or turn off this feature, here's how to do it. Open your Instagram app, click on the three lines on your profile. You're going to look for cross-posting. Click on it. Here, you should click on Account Center. It's going to take you to where you turn off Instagram cross-posting. So you have to turn this off or turn it on if you like.